Hello guys, today I'm gonna show how to replace 5-liter 2011 through the newer truck. Rotate drive belt tensioner 15 millimeter and counterclockwise and remove drive belt. These are alternator belts and then take out. And then you guys next step remove AC belt. And then using the 3/8 extension scale bit, and then rotate the car clockwise, and then remove AC belt. But this AC belt is stuck in crank pulley between driver belt tensioner. For stocking AC belt, remove driver belt tensioner 13 millimeter bolt head, and then remove driver belt tensioner. After drive belt tensioner, and then put aside the AC belt to put away, or whatever you have to remove AC belt tensioner. And then next remove crankshaft front pulley bolt using the 18 millimeter socket, and then need a special tool for remover harmonic damper pulley. Tool is selling Amazon eBay, and then set up the 3 rag inside the crank pulley, and then tighten the special tool, and then take the whole crankshaft pulley out. Once after crankshaft pulley, you guys see the dark and dirty crankshaft seal area. You needed to clean up the around this here. I using the razor blade and then scrap off, and then it's much useful. And then sometimes you guys using the Scotch Brite 3M and also wire brush and other whatever you want is to clean up as much as you can. And I using the razor blade and then scrap off all of the dirt from the front cover as much as I can. And once the oil leak from crank seal, and the engine is spinning, oil spread all around, and then once you guys driving, and then dirt and dirty dust covered all around the front cover. So once clean up the crankshaft front seal area, and then you guys we need a special tool and then seal puller, and then some crank seal tool selling the Amazon. I just using this J hookup tool, and then take out and gently, and then easily comes out like that, and then play out gently, remove the leaking the crankshaft front seal, and all around this here, and I clean up as much as I can, and I'm using the Scotch Brite or the fine the clean leg. And then for the has special tool, install the crankshaft seal installer, tool number 3031531. 3031531. It can be selling some Amazon and some of the website. You don't have this special tool, you guys can gently straight tap in straight to the front timing cover. That is fine. I have this special tool, and I'll attach this special tool onto the front cover, and then gently tap in the crankshaft seal onto the front cover. Between engine and the cooling system radiator and then not enough space, but you guys as much as tap in and then using the special tool, and then I just try to tap in it up and down. Workshop said both workshop says the special tool and then tighten the special bolt and then squeeze in the crankshaft seal, but I usually tap in the crank seal. After the crank seal, this is the crank pulley. Inside, clean up the previous silicone debris and then put the silicone, apply the silicone around the kind of half inch, and then attach the crank pulley onto the crankshaft and then install the special tool and crank puller installer. This tool also selling the Amazon's eBay, not much expensive, around less than $100, and then attach the crankshaft pulley installer first and then tighten the knot. I usually between 30mm socket and also other kind of similar to the washer, and attach the washer and then tighten the install rod. Once the tighten the knot, do not using the impact socket because sometimes damage is thread, and you just hand tighten all of this is the hand tool. Once you tighten the crankshaft using the special tool, remove tool and then put the new crankshaft bolt onto the crank pulley, and then it need a specific sequence. Once I have my own this crank pulley hold tool because of the aftermarket 2 or 3 rag tool doesn't hold properly, and I homemade this special crankshaft pulley hold tool. Once attach the bolt, turning the clockwise, and then crankshaft pulley stop to the special tool, and then remove this bolt slightly, just 120, and then now tighten the specific sequence, and then tighten the new crank bolt, and then first the 74 foot-pound using the torque wrench, and then plus 90-degree more rotate. Install the ace belt once you guys put aside, and then also install the drive shaft tensioner and drive belt to assembly. I already mentioned that it's important to tighten the crankshaft pulley bolt. Aftermarket or some of the tools selling Amazon eBay hold the tool for crank pulley, but it's not much strong to hold the crank pulley. It's harder to tighten the crankshaft pulley bolt. So I made myself this tool, and this tool I draw pictures next picture, and a metal tube, and I welded the 3 legs metal and like this, and then perfectly hold for the any of truck. I explained why 5-liter much faster failure front crankshaft seal. 5-liter or 3.3, this engine type radiator bottom of this hole doesn't have any covered and any filter, because 3.5 has the filter kinda intercooler, but 5-liter doesn't have nothing filter and a screen. And then that's why once you drive is out of town, out of country, and a country area, and then lots of debris, sand, and rocks go into the engine area, and then the seal is damaged faster. And I recommend you guys driving 5-liter, 3.3, 3.5, and then recommend install the bug and the screen onto this hole. Thank you for watching.